Hello, darlings, and welcome to Myra Beauty. Today we are doing a DIY cold and flu cream, so it's kind of like my version of like Vicks Vapor Rub or whatever. But anyway, we're gonna start off with half a cup of shea butter for 4 ounces of shea butter, half a cup, whatever, you know what I mean. And we're gonna add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of menthol crystals. Be careful because these things are strong, so add as much as you like or as little as you like. We're gonna put that in a double boiler and put this on the stove until it's completely melted. Stir it while it's on the stove to help those menthol crystals break down. And it should look completely liquid like this. We're going to take that and then put it in the fridge until it's a solid. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and we're going to add 10 to 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Again, depending on your preference, how strong you want it, what have you. Next, we're just gonna blend it all up until it is creamy. Yep, looking like that. And you're just gonna take it and put it in your handy dandy jar, whatever jar you have. I had this jar, so that's what I'm using. Anyway, there you go. And thank you so much for watching. Love you. Mwah.